This here is the Alta 8 heavy lift drone, and it can carry about 20 pounds of payload, and it just so happens that huge foam plane weighs 17.5 pounds, so I think it's obvious what we're gonna do. Wow, so far it's rock solid.
All right.
Look at that. This is floating airplane.
Nice.
So I made this little servo drop or doohickey that'll release the plane when I flip a switch on the radio.
Ground station to Mobi Pro on the Alta 6. It's gonna go up second. Daniel's gonna put the Alta 8 up first, and then hopefully land all 3 of these aircraft. What are we thinking?
How's that looking?
Pretty sick.
Oh, it's so windy all of a sudden.
You want me to try and catch that?
That was so bad.
Dude, I thought that was coming down. Well, maybe we should call it. Round 2.
So now we just gotta wait for the wind to die and try it again without the filming drone. Just the Alta lifting the plane and dropping it before the wind can really F with us. Wow, winter calm, perfect, just on our luck.
Yoo-hoo! Yeah, baby.
The plane still has the super long string on the end of it though, so it'll drag through the grass when I do a flyby.
Yoo.
That stops quickly.
Okay.
Crosswind. One of the coolest things about the Alta 6 is that it's pretty quiet. And I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this because we don't have a directional mic, but when you cut the throttle and just let it fall, it sounds so cool. And we call that bomb dropping. It's just like a really low frequency prop sound. plane is back home on the ceiling where it lives. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.